Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of high-end robot vacuums to explore three top contenders: the Dreame L20 Ultra, the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus, and the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. If you're looking for advanced cleaning technology, automatic dirt disposal, and smart mapping, you won't want to miss this. Let's go through the pros and cons of each to help you decide which is right for your home. Starting off, we have the Dreame L20 Ultra. This vacuum stands out with its self-emptying dustbin, smart navigation, and powerful suction. Pros: automatic dust disposal and mop cleaning. The Dreame L20 Ultra's charging dock doubles as an automatic dustbin and mop cleaner, making maintenance a breeze. The robot empties itself into a larger bin, and its mop pads are automatically washed and dried, so you don't have to worry about daily upkeep. High suction power. With up to 7,000 pascals of suction power, this robot is one of the most powerful on the market. It easily handles dirt, pet hair, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. If you have pets or kids, you'll appreciate the extra cleaning power. Advanced AI navigation. The L20 Ultra uses AI-powered cameras and LiDAR to identify obstacles and avoid small items like socks or cords, which can easily trip up other robots. It's also excellent at mapping and can save multiple floor plans, making it perfect for larger homes with multiple floors. Cons: expensive. The Dreame L20 Ultra is a premium robot vacuum, and with all the bells and whistles, it comes at a high price. While the features are impressive, budget-conscious buyers might find it hard to justify the cost. Larger dock size. The advanced dock is convenient, but it's also quite large and can take up considerable space. If you're limited on room, you might find the bulky dock to be an issue. Mop efficiency on stubborn stains. While the mop function is generally effective, it may struggle with stubborn stains or heavy-duty cleaning. For occasional mopping, it works well, but it might not replace your regular mop for more intensive cleanups. Next, let's talk about the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus, which offers both vacuuming and mopping. This model is known for its advanced navigation and smart mapping features, making it a strong contender in the robot vacuum space. Pros: pet waste avoidance system. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus is equipped with iRobot's Pet Owner Official Promise, which is designed to avoid pet accidents like waste. This feature is especially useful for pet owners who worry about unexpected messes while they're away. Vacuum and mop functionality. Unlike the standard J7 Plus, the combo model has a retractable mop pad that can automatically lift when it detects carpets, allowing for seamless transitions between hard floors and carpets. This dual functionality makes it convenient for homes with mixed flooring types. Self-emptying bin. The J7 Plus combo also features a self-emptying dustbin, so after each cleaning session, it empties itself into a larger dustbin in the dock. This means less frequent maintenance, which is a big time saver. Cons: lower suction power compared to competitors. While the J7 Plus combo does well with general cleaning, its suction power is not as strong as the Dreame L20 Ultra or Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. It may not be as effective on thick carpets or for handling large amounts of pet hair. Higher ongoing costs for replacement bags. The self-emptying feature is convenient, but replacement bags can be pricey over time. This might add to the overall cost for budget-conscious buyers. Smaller water tank. The water tank capacity is relatively small compared to other dual-function models, which means you may need to refill it more frequently if you have large areas to mop. Finally, we have the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, which is often praised for its comprehensive cleaning features and powerful suction. Pros: dual brushes and strong suction. The S8 Pro Ultra features dual brushes that are particularly effective at picking up pet hair and debris from carpets. With a suction power of up to 6,000 pascals, it's one of the most powerful vacuums available, making it a great choice for pet owners and families. Self-emptying and mop cleaning system. Like the Dreame L20 Ultra, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra has a dock that handles both dust disposal and mop cleaning. After each cleaning session, it automatically washes, dries, and empties itself, so you don't have to worry about daily maintenance. 3D mapping and room recognition. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra offers advanced mapping features that allow it to create highly detailed maps of your home. It can recognize different rooms and adjust cleaning settings accordingly, which is ideal for homes with various flooring types. Cons: bulky dock. Similar to the Dreame L20 Ultra, the S8 Pro Ultra's dock is quite large, which might be an issue if you're tight on space. You'll need a dedicated area for the robot and its docking station. Higher price point. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is another high-end option with a premium price tag. If you're on a budget, this might be a tough investment to justify. Mopping limitations on heavy stains. While the mop function is generally effective for light mopping, it might struggle with tougher stains. For regular light mopping, it's great, but it won't completely replace a manual mop. Each of these 3 robot vacuums offers a unique set of features, making them strong contenders in the high-end robot vacuum market. Here's a quick rundown to help you decide which one might be the best fit for your home. Dreame L20 Ultra. This vacuum shines with its powerful suction and advanced self-cleaning dock. It's great for homes with pets and larger spaces, as it can handle both heavy debris and light mopping with minimal maintenance. However, it comes at a higher price point and may take up more space due to its larger dock. iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. Ideal for pet owners and those looking for a seamless vacuum and mop combo, this model features smart obstacle avoidance and a retractable mop pad that can lift on carpets. It's perfect for homes with mixed flooring types. While it lacks the extreme suction power of the Dreame and Roborock models, its dual functionality and self-emptying bin make it a convenient option for everyday cleaning. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. This model excels with its dual brushes and powerful suction, making it an excellent choice for homes with carpets and pet hair. Its 3D mapping and room recognition allow it to adapt well to different cleaning environments. Though it shares a similar price point with the Dreame L20 Ultra, its powerful cleaning capabilities and self-cleaning dock make it a strong all-rounder. Choosing between these will ultimately depend on your specific needs and budget. All 3 are top-tier options that bring a lot to the table. Thanks for watching and happy vacuuming!